Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be telling you guys or showing you how to do 5 easy messy looks with a headband wig. I have done the review for this headband wig already. It would have been the video prior to this one, so definitely go check that out. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you don't know me, my name is Roena Robinson and I am your SBR queen. SBR simply means styled by Roena. Ensure that you include hashtag SBR Nation in your comment section for a chance to be shouted out in my next video. Alright, so just get into the video. Okay, so the first style that I'll do is literally a leave out. It's just this, right? So I literally spray it. I have curl activator and water in here, so I literally just spray the hair just so it doesn't get too fizzy. And I do a little comb. Yeah, and I think this is such a cute little hairstyle to rock on a nice little casual day. Like, yeah, this you could rock this by itself. Alright, so then hairstyle number 2 is very simple, and this is one of the hairstyles that I like the most because it's so convenient and so easy to do. What I do is I literally take some hair from the side, from both sides. So I'm going to take some hair from here as well. And I'm going to use it and tie it back. So what this does is, whereas the first hairstyle, like the hair was just out and it could flow anywhere or whatever, this keeps it in check. So this holds the hair together. So I would literally just tie, so I would tie the hair and tie it again. Literally. And that kind of gives me that together look. So yeah, if you got a passport picture and you know say your ears them need for sure and all that, this is a very good hairstyle for that as well, because your hair is not covering your ears. So this is like a very simple, very easy hairstyle to do, and it holds it together and it looks nice and it still looks cute. Right, so I pull that out now. Alright then, so the next hairstyle that I am thinking is to do a nice high bun, but like high bun and leave out some. You get me I say? So I'll do part of your hair, part of a little bit at the top, leave out some below, and you want to catch it up. When you catch it up, you just do a messy bun. Yeah, nice. You do the messy bun, do a top knot, and then you fluff it out. So that kind of gives you the nice little untidy but tidy look. And if you have like two what's it called, like the chopsticks, you could put it in here and this will be really cute. This will be real nice, real cute. Ooh, where is this hair coming from? Right, real nice, real cute. And you have this little messy bun, and the messy bun is like nice and cute for like any little thing, any little even out with the girls. You know, you go grocery shopping, any little thing like that. The messy bun is really cute for that. And then my other style is also a bun, but this time instead of the messy bun, it's still gonna be messy, but this time you're gonna use the aid of, you see, you're gonna use the aid of either your hair, one of your hair strands, or hold on, let me make a little fallout. Hold on. Sometimes these little things are cute enough, people. A little fallout, make something drop. Oh, see something like that drop here. At the side, boom. Right, so you make two here, so and drop at the side, you see? Give me two little something here. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. And then what you want to do is get like a sponge, a hair bubble, whatever you call it. And literally do this. When you do that, you want to put your hand through and carry the hair. Yeah. Carry the hair through, because essentially you're trying to do this with it. Yeah. And then these two little hairs that you had made fall out here, gonna be at the front, looking cute, and at the back, you're just making sure that the rest of the hair stays whatever. But this gonna be looking cute, looking nice. You can put this forward. This is here, looking so nice. It's cute. It's nice, you know. All right. And this you can wear with your girls. You can wear it in a casual event. This is a really cute hairstyle look. A nice little messy bun. Yeah, high up, and then two little baby strands, something there. I can't even see it good. Oh my god. See them here. Two little baby strand. Come down on the front part. Really looking cute, really nice. And yeah. How much hairstyle that I've got already? That's a 4. I'm making one more. One more. Let's go. And that easy to take off. You literally just pull it off, yeah? Alright, the last one. Oh, if you have a bun cap as well, you could really make a nice, neat bun for this, but I'm loving the messy look. So the last one that I'm going to do is a full bun. And when I mean full bun, I mean like I'm going to take the entire hair and I'm going to flip it over. You flip it because I try to get everything, you know what I mean there? I'm not make it too tight enough because it's slack still. Yeah? Cool. Right? Get it up. Yeah. If it's up, then it's up. And what I'm gonna do now is get my scrunchie, this big old scrunchie here. And I'm gonna do the same thing that I was doing with the other one. Only thing is we'll pull this one through first. Pull the hair through it. And then now I'm not gonna pull no more. Well, I might pull it. Alright, I'll pull that one through it again. And then for this, the last one, I am not gonna pull it through. I'm just gonna fluff it up. Alright, so I'm not pull it through. Just I fluff it up. I'm just gonna do this. Honey, this is cute. This is cute as hell. This is cute. darling. And you couldn't even take two little baby here, you know. Go to the front or so. And really and truly let them This me like with the hairstyle because it's so loose. You can literally float the hair, and you know, cause you have to, you know, could I pull out some that I saw, float some away so if you just even it out. Why not? Why not? If you're doing a hairstyle and you never come out how you want, you're not afraid, girl. Just start over again. Here. Alright, see with it now. Right? We do the same thing again. So I could just come up, brush out the hair a little bit. Yeah? Ooh. Okay. Let me say. Back it up. Right. I'm surprised your hair now move. It's the fact that I didn't even use the comb at the front. You don't think say all this shuffling me I do the hair. That's why I tell the people it feel really sturdy for true. Like the headband wig really got turn by your head, mama. So don't fret. It's really gonna stay on your hair, on your head. Don't gotta worry about it. So I'm catching it out the top. Bring that through. Catching it up again. Bring that through. And you want to leave some. Then you want to do this with it. Then you might want to spray this. I'll comb it out a little bit. Just comb it out a little bit. Yeah. As I'm saying, it's a messy look. If you're not a fan of a messy look, this is probably not your style. But me love a look a messy look. I just think when I have a nice messy look and everything else neat, it's so cute and I love it. So this is my last hairstyle. Literally just do a quick messy look and have those out. As I say, you can either put this in or leave it out. I'm just gonna leave it out. And this is my messy look. Just to make it a bit tighter, so I'm gonna push back some of the hair them in the scrunchie. That's what I'm doing. But yeah. Okay. But that's it for my video, guys. This is how I style these. Let me know what your favorite style below was, and do include hashtag SBR Nation in your comments so you get a chance to be shouted out. Alright, it is post notification shout out time, and I am shouting out these people so that you guys can go check their channels out. Risha and Amna, thank you so much for commenting and including the hashtag SBR Nation in your comments. Lots of love as well. Thanks from India. Amna Sharif, thank you as well. Tyrese, I get it. Always shut him out. Go check him out, guys. Flavors Worth, thank you as well for showing love. Go check him out. And last but not least is the family of 6. Go check them out, guys. Lots of love to you guys. Alright, see you. Bye.